Wow, a train that floats? That's super cool. Let's see how we can make one. Imagine a train that doesn't need wheels. It just floats in the air. That's called a magnetic train. Special magnets help it float. It's like magic, but it's actually science. These trains, known as maglev trains, use powerful magnetic fields to lift and propel themselves forward. They can travel at incredible speeds, much faster than traditional trains. The lack of friction between the train and the tracks means a smoother, quieter ride. This technology is not just a dream. It's already in use in countries like Japan and China. Imagine gliding effortlessly from one city to another, almost as if you're flying on the ground. Welcome to the future of transportation. We're going to make our own floating train. Here are the materials you'll need: special magnets, a toy car, a ruler, and some coins. Now, let's go through the steps to set it up. First, place the magnets on the table in a straight line. Next, attach magnets to the bottom of the toy car. Use the ruler to ensure the magnets are evenly spaced. Let's get started. The magnets on the car should be positioned in such a way that they repel the magnets on the track. This repulsion is what will make the car float. Take your time to ensure the magnets are securely attached. Watch as the car floats. Isn't that amazing? The car is levitating due to the magnetic repulsion between the magnets on the car and the magnets on the track. This is a great demonstration of the principles of magnetism and how it can be used to create levitation. Now, let's add some coins to the car. See what happens. The car goes lower. The added weight of the coins affects the balance and the magnetic repulsion, causing the car to sink closer to the track. That's because the coins make the car heavier. The increased weight overcomes some of the magnetic repulsion, demonstrating how weight and magnetism interact. This simple experiment shows the delicate balance between magnetic forces and gravitational pull. So we learned that magnets can make things float, and the heavier something is, the harder it is to float. Isn't science fun? Let's do more experiments. Thanks for watching. Magnets are super cool, right? There are so many fascinating things you can do with them. From creating simple toys to understanding complex scientific principles, magnets are truly amazing. We hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as we did. Remember, science is all about curiosity and exploration. So, let's continue this journey together and discover even more exciting experiments and activities. Don't forget to like this video if you had fun, share it with your friends so they can join in on the fun too, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome science content. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you in the next video.